Alex wanted to see number 15 and 9.5, which is confusing because there's numbers in your scary fraction problem, right? Okay, so I'm now having to remember how to solve a what with scary fractions.
Letters.
Yeah, I was trying to solve an equation, right? So I still want to figure out what the common bottom is, even though I might just multiply by it, right? Okay, so my common bottom on this guy is what?
Oh my God, K plus 2.
So there's a k plus 2 for sure, right? Okay. How's this guy related to k plus 2?
Factor. The 6,
it's multiplied by.
Yeah, that's a k plus 2 times 3, right? So I might look at this and think, okay, this guy is 3 k plus 2s, which means my common bottom needs to also include a
Multiplied by
3.
Okay.
So I've got a k plus 2 from this dude. That k plus 2 overlaps with that one, so I don't need another one. But I do need a 3.
You can just put a 9 in.
Yeah, 9's 3 times 3s, so that guy would need a... Yeah, that guy would put another 3 in my common bottom, right?
So 3k plus 2 on the bottom.
Ew.
It's okay. So this guy needs a 9, right?
Yep.
This guy needs a 3, and this dude needs a
3.
k plus 2.
Oh my gosh.
You guys see that? So if I was going to find the common bottom here, I'd use this guy. Do you want to do that, or do you want to multiply through by that thing?
Well, the common bottom is already there, so do that.
Maybe let's put everything over the common bottom for practice. Okay, so my 4 over k plus 2, what did it need? It needs 2 3s, right? Okay, so I need a 9 on the bottom. So what do I need? Oops. What do I need on the top?
A 9.
Also a 9, because I'm multiplying by 1, right? Is, okay, 1 over, what was?
Or 3 times k plus 2.
Yeah, maybe 3 times k plus 2 would be better. So now I can think, what does this guy need? That needs another 3, and it needs to get it also on the top. Okay, what did my 11 ninths need? That needed a k plus 2 on the bottom, so it also has to get one
On the top.
on the top. Okay, so all told here I have what? Big old mess, and don't cancel any of this stuff, right? Because we just spent a bunch of time putting it in there. So what's my left-hand side become?
36 over k plus 2 times 9.
36 over the common bottom, right? Which is 9 times k plus 2. Okay, on the right-hand side, what's this first piece?
6
That's a 3
3
over
9 k plus 2.
9 times k plus 2, right? The common bottom. Okay, then this guy is added
14 over
11
11k plus 2s over 9k plus 2s, right, over the common bottom. So all told, what have I got here? So left-hand side, I've got my 36 over 9 times k plus 2s, right? And on the right-hand side,
You have 14. 3 plus 11.
your order of operations, right? I need to do this multiplication before I do that, and I have to account for that addition first, right? Which means I need to distribute. So that looks like 11k plus
22.
22 plus
3.
3 all over
9.
the common bottom, 9 times k plus 2. Okay, now what do I do?
Add them all together.
Subtract 36 over 9k plus 2.
Okay, we could do that. It's probably easier at this stage to get rid of the bottoms first.
Where do we add the 22 and 3 first?
Okay, we can combine the 22 and the 3. I'm not going to rewrite that whole mess. I'm just going to do that as I multiply by 9 times k plus 2s. Why am I multiplying by 9k plus 2s? Yeah, the bottoms aren't really going to be meaningful here, so I'm going to exact them, right? I should keep in mind, right, that if this thing's 0, I just multiplied by something really weird, right? So I should worry about k is minus 2 here. You see that?
This is going to become 0.
If that happens, right, if that's part of my answer, I need to go back and worry about it. Right? Okay, so at my next step, what have I got?
Can you cancel
36
36?
is
11k plus
11k plus 25. And now I think you're right, we want to get rid of the 36, right? Well, maybe.
Why not? 36 over 9. Can do that.
How do you solve this?
You take the 25 and subtract
Oh,
it.
that too.
Yeah, I want the k's alone, right? So, okay. So we'll subtract 25. So we'll get 11 is,
Minus 36?
11 is
where'd
K.
you,
11 equals 11.
Oh.
yeah. Remember, I'm subtracting 25 from both sides, so I get 11 here.
Oh.
On that side, I'm left with an 11k. So then I divide by 11 and see k is 1.
What happened to the 9?
What happened to what 9? Oh, this 9?
And the other 9?
I multiplied by the bottom, and then it canceled, right?
And you did the K equals -2 to show that we couldn't have 0 at the bottom? Is that-
Yeah, I wanted to make sure that if I got k as -2 at the end, right, that I crossed that one out because it's not allowed, right?
Okay.
That was the problem here.
Okay.
That's just me noting, hey, when you multiply or divide by a variable, you should probably check the cases when it's 0, right? In this case, it's not meaningful because I didn't get it at the end, right? So I'm not worried about this. But if I had gotten that at the end, I'd go back and be like, whoa, whoa, hang on, what happened? Where'd that come from? You guys cool with this?
That was my question.
That was your question too? All right, so I got k as 1. Questions, concerns? Does that help?
What if I did it another way? Can I show you?
Yeah.